Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm gonna show you 3 easy ways to fix not sending and receiving group messages on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Let's start. Solution number 1. Enable group messages. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap messages. Here we have to turn on iMessage, and after that scroll down and tap or turn on MMS messaging. After that we are able to send and receive group messages. If this method is not working, then we have to go to the second solution. The second solution is turn off and turn on network section. For that we have to go to setting and then tap mobile data and tap network section, turn off automatic. After turning off automatic we have to wait for a few seconds and then turn it on. Now the third solution is turn off and on iMessages. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down, tap messages and turn off iMessage. After turn off iMessage we have to wait for a few seconds and then turn it on. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.